Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enable the one-handed keyboard feature on your iPhone running iOS 18 or a later version. This can be incredibly useful for typing with just one hand, especially on larger iPhone models. Let's get started. First, locate and tap on the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find General and then tap on it to proceed. Within the General settings, look for Keyboard and tap on it. Now you'll see a list of keyboard-related settings. Find the option labeled One-Handed Keyboard and tap on it. On this screen, you'll have the choice between left and right. Simply tap the option that corresponds to the hand you'll be primarily using for typing. Your selection will take effect immediately. To test it out, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, Notes, or Mail. You should now see that your keyboard is shifted to either the left or right side of the screen. If you ever need to change your one-handed keyboard setting or revert back to the standard layout, just repeat these same steps. Go to Settings, then General, then Keyboard, and finally One-Handed Keyboard to make your desired adjustments. And that's all there is to it. Enabling the one-handed keyboard on your iOS 18 iPhone is a quick and easy way to improve your typing experience when you only have one hand free. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.